Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into the Animal Age, or $TA, a new crypto coin that's powering a play-to-earn blockchain game. This exciting project is built on the ARBITRUM blockchain, which allows for fast and cheap transactions. In this video, we'll give you an overview of how to buy $TA, use MEXC Global, and explore the game's NFTs. Oh, what exactly is the Animal Age? It's a game with core gameplay mechanics designed around earning rewards through its P2E system. NFTs have a central utility within the game, and the $TA token is the lifeblood, used for governance and as the primary in-game currency. Oh, you may be wondering why the Animal Age chose ARBITRUM. ARBITRUM is a Layer 2 scaling solution that sits on top of Ethereum. This provides lower gas fees compared to the Ethereum mainnet, much faster transaction speeds, and increased scalability, all improving the user experience. Now, let's examine the $TA tokenomics. We'll look at the total supply of $TA, its distribution breakdown across the team, marketing efforts, community incentives, and staking rewards. The token's utility spans in-game purchases, staking for additional rewards, and giving holders a voice through governance voting. The long-term vision is to ensure $TA token value. ETs discuss how to buy $TA on MEXC Global. MEXC Global is a cryptocurrency exchange that has listed $TA. You'll need to create an MEXC Global account, and then complete KYC or Know Your Customer verification. Next, you'll need to deposit funds, usually USDT, and then navigate to the $TA/USDT trading pair. Finally, you can place a buy order, choosing either a market or limit order, and then secure your $TA in your MEXC wallet or transfer to MetaMask or Trust Wallet. If you choose to manage the tokens yourself, you'll likely want to connect MetaMask or Trust Wallet to ARBITRUM. First, add the ARBITRUM network to your wallet, using the correct network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. You may also need to bridge assets from Ethereum mainnet to ARBITRUM, if applicable. Always remember security considerations when using MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Now, let's take a look at the NFTs in the Animal Age. You'll find different types of NFTs, including characters or animals, land plots, and in-game items. These NFTs provide enhanced gameplay, earning potential, and feature varying degrees of rarity and collectability. You can find these NFTs on various marketplaces for buying and selling. Before you invest, it's important to understand the risks and considerations. Always remember cryptocurrency market volatility. Also, consider the potential risks of investing in new projects, and be aware of game development risks and timelines. Because of these risks, it's vital to do your own research, or DYOR, before investing in any crypto project. In conclusion, the Animal Age and its $TA token offer an intriguing combination of gaming and blockchain technology. If it seems appealing, explore the game, join the community, and be sure to DYOR before investing. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.